I'm so excited. I am here with the Traxxas X-Maxx. If you missed our unboxing video, go check it out. We kind of hint as to why we got this, but you'll find out soon. But we're really excited to see how fast this is gonna go right out of the box. I want to give a huge shout out to rcjuice.com for hooking us up with batteries to run this Traxxas X-Maxx. These are Hobby Star 8,000 milliamp 100C soft pack batteries, but they're very, very protected in this Traxxas enclosure. Guys, go check out rcjuice.com. They have a ton of batteries, and we're just very appreciative that they saved us money and hooked us up with these batteries. So if anything, just go tell them thanks for hooking us up with these batteries so we can do this speed test video. We realize you guys have probably seen a ton of Traxxas X-Maxx content. We're just a husband and wife team here to have some fun with our new toy. We're just here to have fun and just I don't even know what to say. I just want to run this.
Let's drive it. We have not even pulled the throttle trigger on this.
No, I'm dying.
Let's do it.
Oh,
look at this. Look at this is the biggest vehicle that we own.
Look at this. Right here.
It's huge. It's huge. Okay, Abby, I know you're dying. I'm dying too. We're using a Big 5 GPS module on the back of that to track the speed. It claims 55 miles an hour, and out of the box, that's what we want to see if it can hit. I mean, really, we're just here to have fun. We have an X-Maxx. It's kind of like a dream come true.
In a way.
In a way.
Not really.
Not really. And it's all thanks to our patron supporters. Abby, pull that trigger. Nice. Whoa. Okay, there's some power there.
The front started lifting.
I saw, yeah. Well, it's got that wheelie bar, so give us one more solid pass here. Nice. Oh, you went right. Did you mean to do that? Oh. That's okay.
I gotta dry it off.
Dry it off. Nice.
Oh, there's a pole there.
If anything, that's like the loudest ground vehicle, electric ground vehicle that we have. That thing is huge, isn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Just massive. And does it feel like it tracks well? It looks like it does. Well, I want to see how fast it's going.
On that pass, I didn't have to do any steering at all. It is right out of the box.
That's awesome, Abby. That is awesome. I love how that front end rears up. Oh my gosh. How fast? You know what? That's only 63 kilometers an hour. That ain't 55 miles an hour. I know that.
No, it's not.
Not even close.
On the box, it says 50 miles an hour.
We are running 8 cells. It's actually 2 4S packs in series to get 8S power. You know, again, let me do this. This is where the mutual relationship comes in handy with you guys. We do know that additional parts came with the X-Maxx. Are we just missing the one pinion in there that can make it go faster? Or let us know. Because remember, guys, this literally is our second, or no, I'm sorry, it's our third on the channel Traxxas vehicle. So to hit 55 miles an hour, do we have to buy a little bit more stuff? Or do we just need to swap something out that came in our parts bag? Let us know, because we're gonna have a lot more content on this very soon on the channel. But as it sits right out of the box with freshly charged batteries, we're not hitting 55 miles an hour. Again, we'll have the conversion on screen, but that's 63 kilometers an hour. Kind of slowish for what I was expecting. So, all right, let's do this. I want to get a feel for this, and then Abby, I have to try to pop a wheelie. I don't know if it wheel. I don't know if it wheel.
What it wheel?
I think that wheelie bar is
RC
there
car pun right there,
to
huh?
prevent it from popping a wheelie, but that feels fast, and certainly like scary.
It's definitely beastly, because as soon as you juice it, you see the front lift.
It's awesome.
You've hit me with an 8th scale vehicle before, so I get kind of scared when you drive.
But it wasn't full speed or anything.
Yeah,
you say that like it was. Here we go. Woo!
Yeah,
same.
63. Yeah, 63.
Same. Wow. I mean, that doesn't take away from the awesomeness that the X-Maxx is. I'm still happy with that. I'm not complaining. That is a blast and fun. And let's face it, if you're bashing with that, not just a big open parking lot, that's really fast. So no major complaints there in that regard. We just wanted to see how fast it goes with our own GPS speed meter that we can trust. We know you guys can trust. It's a really cool bar to set to see how it compares to all the other vehicles that have been on our channel and things that will be coming to the channel soon. If you guys want to see our opinion and our first impressions of the unboxing, that video is already live on our channel. We have more content to come with this. We're gonna do a bashing video, probably do some hill climb challenge stuff, maybe even a ramping video. We've got some cool spots in mind to drive this. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. If you're already subscribed, double check your notification bell, and thank you to our patrons for making this video happen. We wouldn't have the X-Maxx if it wasn't for you, and a huge thanks again to RCJuice.com. We wouldn't have power for this truck if it wasn't for you. Guys, all the good stuff will be linked in the description box below.
And if you want to become a patron family member, that is down there too.
Can this do a wheelie? Here we go.
Can it do a wheelie? Let's see.
Oh, yes,
you
can.
popped. I didn't even get to pop a wheelie first, and that's mine.
More wheelie mania to come to the channel soon. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.